Ayan, good morning, Heroes. So, sa bago lang sa channel ko at di pa nakakilala sa akin, I am Mr. Joel Berino, aka Waray Non Tracker. Isa po akong LTO, accredited driving instructor dito kay Techno Driving Academy, Cubao Branch. So, I have here is the book, Filipino Driver's Manual, no? Galing kay LTO, second edition, volume 1 and 2, no? So, ang nilalaman nito is yung lahat, no? About sa driving, licensing, dito po lahat. Ito po yung bago. So, meron dito is yung reviewer din, sa lahat din, no? Sa non-professional, motorcycle, conductors. So, ito po yung reviewer. So, ang gagawin ko is upload ko to, no? Para meron kayong reviewer. Pero, English version kasi to. Itatry ko rin na matagalog, no? Kung sakali na hindi tayo busy. So, ito. Andito yung questionnaire lahat. Ito, lahat. Up to 50 to. Siguro ko gagawin ko 2 parts na lang, no? Para makatulong sa inyo. Kasi ang meron lang ako is Code 3 and Code 8 na reviewer. Kasi yun ang pinakaano ko talaga. Pero this time, i-upload ko to para makatulong sa iba. Kasi nakikita ko, mas madaming naghahanap din pala ng reviewer ng mga sa beginners, no? Sa non-professional and professional. So, i-upload ko na lang po kasi hindi naman kita dito. Ita-type ko na lang siya, i-upload natin. Then, panoorin nyo na lang, no? Tapusin nyo para makatulong sa inyo sa pagkuha nyo ng non-professional and professional driver's license. Yun lamang po. So, panoorin nyo po ang video hanggang dulo, no? And then kung nagustuhan mo, please like, share, and subscribe na din para makatulong din tayo sa ibang sa ibang mga. So, this is English reviewer for non-professional motorcycle Code A and A1. So, NPDL or non-professional driver's license is an authority in the form prescribed by the LTO granted to a person to operate a private motor vehicle. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, no, my heroes, para malaman pa ng iba. So question number 1, on a long drive, what should you do if you are tired or sleepy? Answer, park at the appropriate rest stop. Question number 2, what hand signal must a driver give when he or she want to stop? Answer, left arm held down and hand pointing to the ground. Question number 3, what hand signal must a driver give when she or he wants to turn left? Answer, left arm held straight horizontally. Question number 4, signs that inform road users of the traffic laws and regulations which, if disregarded, will constitute an offense are called regulatory signs, no? Question number 5, signs used to warn motorists of potentially hazardous condition on or adjacent to the road are called, answer, caution or warning signs. Number 6, what document should a driver carry at all times when he or she is driving? So answer, driver's license, certificate of registration, and current official receipt. For short, ORCR. Number 7, on the assumption that your motorcycle is in good condition, what can cause you to skid and lose control when making an abrupt movement, especially on a wet and slippery road? Answer, improper braking. So, question number 8. Are you allowed to use the shoulder of the road to pass on the right side of a car ahead? Answer, no, it's against the law. Pursuant to RA 4136. So question number 9, what is the meaning of an inverted triangle sign? Ito. Answer, give way. So question number 10, what do double yellow solid lines means, no? No crossing or overtaking. Question number 11, what should you do when you are crossing a railroad and there are no warning devices? Answer, slow down, check both sides of the road, then proceed with caution if clear. Question number 12, when do you have to make a complete or full stop? Answer, at the red traffic light. Question number 13, to protect motorcycle riders at all times, they should wear what? Answer, standard protective helmets, ICC, stickers, and full body gear for protection. Question number 14, a driver must not park or stop at the side of the road with the stop sign or traffic control within. Answer, 6 meters. Pursuant to RA 4136. Question number 15, a driver on a highway shall yield the right of way to. Answer, police vehicles, fire trucks, and ambulance. Question number 16, what should you do if you want to slow down or stop? Answer, press on your brake lights lightly to activate brake lights. No? Question number 17, to avoid suspension, the driver must settle their apprehension within days. Answer, 15 days. Question number 18, in the road crash involving a pedestrian, what should you do? Answer, stop and assist the situation, then provide appropriate help. Never attempt to touch unconscious or injured person. Question number 18, using a mobile phone while driving is prohibited because. Answer, it distracts your attention while driving. Question number 20, where should motorcycle saddlebags or boxes be installed? Answer, not higher than the rider's seat and not beyond the tail light. Saddlebag must not exceed 14 inches from the side of the rider's seat. Question number 21, what should the driver do while driving on a wet road? To answer, slow down and take necessary precaution. Question number 22, if two vehicles approach an intersection at approximately the same time, which vehicle has the right of way? So which vehicle? Answer, vehicle on the right, pursuant to RA 4136. Number 23, on the two-way road, what does a single white broken line mean? So, it separates traffic moving in opposite direction. 24, when is a U-turn not permitted? Sir, on a double solid yellow lane and in the places where a no U-turn sign is posted. No? Number 25, last question, where should the rider position his or her motorcycle When he or she turns left, nearest to the center of the highway. Pursuant to RA 4136. So, ito na po yung last for the part 1, no? Kasi up to 50 lang to. At ang part 2 is susunod ko. Gagawin ko po muna ulit yung video, no? Answer question kaagad kasi para ma-memorize nyo din talaga agad. No? Ayan po ang end of part 1. Non-professional driver's license for motorcycle, no? English reviewer. So, kung nagustuhan nyo po itong ating video, huwag po kayong mahiyang i-like and subscribe para ma-updated kayo sa bago nating mga upload. For part 2, maybe in the next day ko po ma-upload, no? Gagawin ko pa siya. At next, yung professional, no? For code ANA1, then BB1 and B2, isusunod ko po yun. Ito type ko lang.